I thought I'd record this video just to give people a better understanding and demonstration on how we've been able to crack something that is seemingly uncrackable because it shouldn't make sense, but I found a way to make it make sense. You're watching this video because you are a plumbing company and you know how valuable hot water installs are because they're quick turnaround. Each guy can do 2 to 3 a day. You can charge anywhere from $2,000 on the low end all the way up to $10,000 if you want to install some sort of heat pump system. And they're very easy to market, like very easy. And if you don't know who I am, my name's Andrei. I'm an ex-plumber. I have run operations for a plumbing company doing over $1 million a month, both marketing, sales, and operations. So I kind of know the whole gist around a plumbing company or what's going to make it successful. But now I run Tradie Marketing Pros, which is a marketing agency. I've had it for 4 years now, and I have gotten a lot of results. This isn't even all of it. This is just some of it. You can see all these screenshots of all the advertising that we run, all the revenue statistics, because I know how to get results for clients just like you. I've been working with over 100 businesses now. I've done over $100 million in cash collected for our clients. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we run this hot water funnel to get more hot water systems. Now, this isn't even the whole funnel. This is just part of the funnel. This is the funnel that I start with just on the low end. So this is just the starting out funnel. It's not going to be the full funnel that can get you to this like 5 million plus a year, but it can absolutely get you at least 100K a month. Let's get into it. So you've seen all the results. You can watch all my other videos and you can look at the results there. But here's what needs to happen. So this is what your company has now and what you need. So what you have is you are structured in terms of delivery. So you have a team, you know how to do hot water systems, you're obviously qualified, you've got those certifications and all that. And you have strong testimonials and proof. So you've done a lot of these, you've got reviews, you've got a website, hopefully. Some of you watching this might not have a website and you probably need one. And you have a team that can do more work and you've got your calendar empty. What you're missing is you don't have consistent leads coming in every single day. Your calendar at the moment is not fully booked. It needs to be fully booked, otherwise you can't scale and you're losing money. Every time there's a gap in that calendar, that is money and opportunities you are wasting because you will never get that time back. And then lastly, you are not getting in front of the right customers at the right time. Now, when is the right time? That's something I'm going to get onto later. So essentially what you need in order to fix this, and this is how I've been able to be so successful with this, is you need Facebook ads to target hot water systems. Now you're probably going to come to me and be like, oh, why don't I do Google ads instead? Because people are looking on Google when their hot water system is broken down. And the answer to that is yes. Yes, they are. However, it can get competitive. You are paying per click. Your customer acquisition cost, so the amount you pay per click and to eventually get the job over the line, can lead to several hundreds of dollars and in worst cases up to $1,000 per closed job. And that is not profitable enough. So we'll go into that in a second. So the reason I like Facebook ads is you can target people who have a hot water system that's older than 7 to 8 years old. And then with that, you put out a Facebook ad basically calling out those people that have issues with their hot water. So not broken yet, but almost broken. Next, you need a funnel that sells you first. So a funnel is essentially a system. So I'm going to take them through this quiz funnel, plus all the backend systems I have on top of that in order to convert these into more jobs. So that includes a CRM system. So we have a pipeline here of one of our clients. We are tracking every single stage of the pipeline from new leads all the way up to closed jobs. With that, we have text messages, we have email notifications, we have guides, we have all sorts of things in order to make sure that we are converting as many as humanly possible. So how does this all work? Well, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you what we expect from as little as $4,000 in ad spend. Now, obviously this is not guaranteed. Nothing in life is guaranteed. I'm not going to give you a guarantee. What I am going to show you, well, I've already showed you the results, but here's how the numbers work out. So we have the top of the funnel where we get attention, and then the bottom is our 24 closed jobs. First, we need to get attention. Getting attention, we got Facebook ads. Nice and simple. From the Facebook ads, we have a landing page where we have the quiz funnel and we are actively ruling out people that are not ever going to go through. We have a special offer So you need to stand out in this market because you're not special in any way whatsoever. So we need to make it look special with an offer. Now that can be a discounted price for the month. You can give away stuff for free. Yes, giving away stuff for free obviously costs money, but it's more beneficial in the long run with how many installs you can get. We'll give off free consultations. We'll show off our reviews. We'll have gallery of the best photos ready to fire, and we'll have the survey in order to confirm intent. Next, you are going to call the leads within 5 minutes, because if you call them within 5 minutes, you are 10 times more likely to close. We're going to have immediate text messages set up. We're going to check for the existing system. So we're going to ask them what system they have, all that good stuff. We're going to send them emails to educate them a bit, and then we'll have the option to even book them online via the calendar. Again, we're going to confirm intent. Next, part of the sales process, we want to make sure they're interested. We want to explore the reason they're reaching out. So what issues are you having with your hot water right now, Sarah? Why have you called us? We want to understand the decision-making process, because sometimes the husband is involved or the wife or whoever, maybe the dog, right? We want to confirm the intent to make sure why they're calling and who's involved in this decision. You're going to ask qualifying questions. So if the system isn't that old, then why would you want to get this replaced? Oh, actually, it's because it runs out. Oh, okay, well, that makes sense. So that's probably why you'd want to replace it, right? Then you want to confirm the timeline and urgency. Again, some people are going to be more urgent than others. Doesn't matter, we want to get them over the line. Next, you can involve case studies. So have video testimonials of clients you already worked with. You should already have these. Most of you don't, but they're very valuable. You can send them free video content explaining the process behind their hot water system, why it works, why it's not working. More video testimonials. You can even have a video sales letter. These are very powerful to gain trust with your customers so that you can close more and they trust you more. So more likely to sell, and you can sell it for more. Next, you close the deal and book the job. From that, if we go through the stats, so we want to aim for 60 inquiries in that first month. We want to convert 45% of those inquiries into site visits, so that's 48 bookings. You'll send 100% of those as quotes, so that's 48 quotes. And you should absolutely close 50% of your site bookings. And then if you do that, you work out the math, you should have 24 closed jobs for the first month if you spend $4,000 on Facebook ads. Is this a guarantee? Absolutely not. Have we done it before? Many, many times, and you can see all those case studies below with all the clients that we've done it for. So if you're a plumbing company, you want to get more hot water installs, this is exactly how you do it. And if you don't want to execute it yourself and you want someone who's professional, knows what they're doing, and can and has already got results like these in the past, you can absolutely book a call somewhere in the link below, and we are more than happy to get in touch with you and help you achieve this.